Schlage Encode smart locks use numeric pins ranging from 4 to 10 digits, called user codes, to grant access to the lock. These codes can be managed through the Schlage Home app or directly on the lock's keypad. The master code, set during initial setup, is crucial for local management on the keypad. App management offers advanced features like scheduling and remote access control. However, local overrides are also possible through the keypad. First, open the Schlage Home app on your iOS or Android device. Make sure your Schlage Encode lock is already linked to your account in the app. Navigate to the Access Codes section in the app. Tap the Add button to create a new user code. Enter a name for the new user, set their desired numeric code, and configure permissions such as permanent access or scheduled access times. The app will sync the new code wirelessly to your lock via Wi-Fi or Z-Wave connection. To add a new user code locally, first press the Schlage button on the lock. Next, enter your master code on the keypad. Follow the keypad prompts to add a new user code. Enter the code you want to use. Remember the user code you just entered. This local method doesn't support scheduling access times or naming users within the lock's memory. To edit an existing user code via the Schlage Home app, first open the app and navigate to your access codes list. Select the specific user code you want to modify from the list. On the code details screen, you can change the PIN number, update the name, or adjust the schedule for time-based access restrictions. Once you save your changes, they sync almost instantly to the lock. If the lock is offline, your edits will automatically sync when connectivity is restored. For better security, always use a minimum of 8 digits and rotate your codes regularly. To delete a user code using the Schlage Home app, first open the app and navigate to the user codes section. Tap on the specific user code you want to remove from the list. Select the Delete option that appears, then confirm your choice in the confirmation dialog. The code is immediately removed from the system and can no longer be used to access the lock. For enhanced security, regularly audit your user codes and delete any that are no longer needed. This helps prevent unauthorized access. Security best practices for Schlage Encode begin with using strong, unique codes of at least 8 digits. Weak or default codes can be easily guessed through brute force attacks. Enable two-factor authentication for all app-based code changes. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring both your password and a verification code from an authenticator app. Regularly update your Schlage Encode firmware through the app. Updates include security patches that protect against known vulnerabilities and improve overall system reliability. Enable guest codes for temporary access instead of sharing permanent codes. Guest codes can be scheduled to expire automatically, reducing the risk of unauthorized long-term access. If you experience issues with code syncing, ensure your lock is connected to Wi-Fi or Z-Wave. Check the signal strength and restart the lock if needed. If the app fails during power surges, have a backup plan. Use the keypad with your master code or keep physical keys as emergency access. If you forget your master code, consult the Schlage support website for recovery options. Visit the support center and follow the reset instructions. Stay informed about potential vulnerabilities and security patches released by Schlage. Regularly check for firmware updates in the app and install them promptly.